Channel access techniques in wireless communication. Channel access techniques in wireless communication. Wireless communication refers to the transfer of information from one point to another using electromagnetic waves without requiring a physical connection. In wireless communication systems, multiple users share a radio frequency spectrum, making channel access challenging. Various channel access techniques have been developed to address this situation, and in this article, we will discuss some of the most common ones. Time division multiple access (TMA). In time division multiple access (TMA), multiple users share the same frequency by allocating a set time slot to each user during which they transmit their data. TMA is a digital transmission technique that divides the available bandwidth into time slots that are assigned to each user. In TMA, user devices transmit their data only during their assigned time slots, making it a fair sharing tech. Meek. This means that users have equal access to the channel and can transmit their data without interfering with each other. TMA is commonly used in cellular networks, such as GSM. TMA-based systems have proven to be efficient and flexible in handling multiple users. They also have the advantage of being able to prioritize transmissions, which helps in reducing latencies and ensuring fair usage of the channel. However, in TMA, the user must wait until it is assigned its time slot to transmit, which can result in some delay and lower efficiency of the system. Frequency division multiple access, FDMA. Frequency division multiple access, FDMA, divides the available spectrum into different frequency bands, which are then assigned to different users. Each user is allocated a fixed frequency bandwidth in which they can transmit their data. This technique is used in analog systems, such as AM and FM radio broadcasting. FDMA works by dividing the bandwidth into a series of frequency channels, each of which acts like a miniature communication channel. Each user is allocated one or more frequency channels and transmits its data over these channels. FDMA is not efficient in handling multiple users as the allocation of frequency bands is fixed, and there is a limit to the number of users that can be supported in a particular frequency band. Orthogonal frequency division multiple access, OFMA. OFMA can support multiple users simultaneously within the same frequency band, and it is used in advanced communication systems, such as 4 grams LT and 5 grams networks. With OFMA, the available spectrum is divided into small frequency bands, and each subcarrier is assigned to a specific user. OFMA can support multiple users, and each subcarrier can be allocated to different users at the same time. This technique is efficient for data transmission as it allows the system to adapt to different signal qualities. Code division multiple access, CDMA. In code division multiple access, CDMA, each user is assigned a unique code, which is used to modulate the data. The code is a sequence of bits that is used to spread the user's signal over a wide frequency spectrum. This technique enables several users to use the same frequency band simultaneously. CDMA is used primarily in 3 grams and 4 grams networks. CDMA works by spreading the user's signal over a wide frequency spectrum. Each user has a unique code that is used to modulate the data, and these codes are selected in such a way that the user's signals are orthogonal to each other. This means that the signals of different users can be distinguished from each other and recovered at the receiver. Spatial division multiple access, SMA. Spatial Division Multiple Access, SMA, is a technique that allows multiple users to share the same frequency band by using multiple antennas at the transmitter and receiver. SMA is commonly used in MIMO, multiple input, multiple output, systems, where multiple antennas are used to transmit and receive data. In SMA, the available bandwidth is divided into different spatial channels, and each user is assigned to a different spatial channel. Multiple antennas at the transmitter and receiver are used to prove the reliability and quality of the transmission. This technique can provide high data rates, reduce the effects of multipath, and improve the signal-to-noise ratio. In addition to the above-mentioned channel access techniques, hybrid multiple access (HMA) is another technique that combines TMA and CDMA. HMA is used in communication systems that require a mix of voice and data transmissions. This technique provides efficient usage of the available bandwidth by allocating some time slots to TMA and some to CDMA. In summary, channel access is an essential aspect of wireless communication systems, especially in situations where multiple users share the same spectrum. The choice of the appropriate channel access technique depends on various factors, such as the application, the number of users, the available bandwidth, and the type of data being transmitted. Proper selection of the channel access technique can help ensure efficient and reliable data transmission, while also reducing interference and maximizing the use of the available spectrum. As wireless communication technology advances, new and more advanced channel access techniques are likely to be developed to meet the demands of an ever-growing user base. For example, Full Duplex Multiple Access (FDMA) is a promising technology that enables users to simultaneously transmit and receive in the same frequency band. This technique has the potential to double the capacity of wireless networks while reducing overhead and latency. Moreover, non-orthogonal multiple access (NOMA) is another promising technique that is currently being researched. It enables multiple users to share the same frequency band simultaneously by superimposing multiple user signals on the same time frequency resources. This technique has the potential to significantly improve spectral efficiency, user coverage, and energy efficiency in wireless communication systems. With the increasing demand for wireless communication in various industries, it is evident that channel access techniques will continue to play a critical role. The healthcare sector, for instance, is exploring wireless technologies to enable remote monitoring of patients and improve the delivery of healthcare services. Similarly, the transportation sector is adopting wireless communication to enhance travel experience and reduce congestion on roads. The use of wireless communication in the Internet of Things, IoT, is also on the rise. IoT devices operate in environments with multiple wireless devices, and therefore, efficient use of the available spectrum is critical. Channel access techniques that enable multiple users to share the spectrum efficiently will be central to the success of IoT. Wireless communication has numerous benefits, such as flexibility, portability, and cost-effectiveness. It has significantly impacted businesses, schools, healthcare, transportation, sports, and many other industries. For instance, in the education industry, wireless communication has enabled distance learning, online classes, and easy collaboration among students and teachers. In healthcare, wireless communication has enabled remote patient monitoring and improved clinical outcomes. Wireless communication has also enabled real-time traffic data analysis, improved logistics, and efficient Fleet management in the transportation industry. The use of wireless communication is expected to continue growing as more businesses and industries recognize the benefits it offers. Therefore, it is crucial to have efficient channel access technique. Use that can ensure reliable and efficient wireless communication. As wireless communication technology continues to advance rapidly, it has become more accessible and affordable to an increasing number of people. One significant concern related to wireless communication is security. Wireless networks are more vulnerable to data breaches due to the ease of intercepting wireless signals compared to wired network. This vulnerability has led to an increased need for effective security measures, such as encryption and authentication, to ensure data privacy. Another concern is radiation exposure, which is associated with long-term health effects such as cancer. While the risk of radiation exposure from wireless communication is relatively low, some people still remain concerned about the potential harm to their health. This concern has led to the development of several products, such as shields, which claim to block or reduce radiation exposure. Thanks for watching.